and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all doing really well. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be unboxing one of my all-time favorite shoes that I never really thought I would own. Like, it's one of those things I saw and I was like, that would be nice to have, but I just didn't see how it would end up in my hands. And then some years down the line, here we are and I have them. So let's get right into this video. So the shoes come in this box, and I haven't owned Yeezys before, but apparently this is like the common box that they come in. It just says the name here, Yeezy Boost 700, and then made by Adidas, and then it has like all the specifications and the SKU code and all that kind of drama. This side just looks like this, and then once you open the box, you've just got the shoes in there under the tissue paper. So here she is. This is the Yeezy Boost 700 Waverunner colorway, and it's just so sick. Like, I love this. I'm like the most picky person when it comes to trainers, so I'll very rarely like trainers. Like maybe every year I'll maybe like 2 pairs of trainers that I see. Like, that's how picky I am. But when I saw these, when these came out, I was like, actually no, I tell a lie. When I first saw these, I was really unsure about them. I was just like I didn't hate them, but I just didn't know how I felt. And then the more I saw them, the more they grew on me. And then after that, I was sold. I was just like, yeah, they're sick. I like them. And I think my skepticism was because I wasn't used to anything at the time. Like, when they did just come out, the dad trainer vibe wasn't really a thing yet. And this, in my opinion, kind of set that all off. And then, yeah, it's kind of like the beginning of that vibe, I think, in my personal opinion. So the shoe itself has like minimal branding, as you can see. You can't really tell, like, if you didn't know they were Yeezys, you can't really tell that they're Adidas. But over here it has the 3 stripes, you can kind of feel it. And I think maybe if you were to put light on there, you could tell that it has the Adidas branding, but you can't really see it. The shoe has a combination of like a suede, mesh and leather outer. It's just a mix really, and then I really like the color combination. So you've got like a really dark blue here. It looks quite bright on the camera actually, but it's quite dark. We have a dark blue here, and then like dark green going on this side, and then I really like the orange bits on the side there and there as well. You've also got a Boost midsole, and they fit so comfortably. The first time I put them on, they were actually quite snug, like around my toe area, but then the next time I put them on and the next time I put them on, I just felt them being more comfortable. And the weird thing about these is they look quite wide, but I have a really narrow foot, and the shoes aren't wide at all. Like, when you put them on, they just fit like a glove. They're not big and they're not like roomy. Your foot isn't like rolling around in there. It's like the perfect fit. In my opinion, I would say that they're true to size. I'm the type of person that just sticks to my size when I buy shoes, because in the past when I haven't stuck to my size, I've always regretted it. So these are in a UK 6, and I wouldn't size up and I wouldn't size down. Even now that I've tried these, I don't think there would be any need. I feel like if I went up at all, they would be too big, like too loose, and then if I went down, they would definitely squish my toes. So I think sticking to your original size is a good idea with these in particular. In terms of styling, I feel like because they have such a variation of colour, they look tricky to style, but really the base colours are mostly grey, white, black, so you're good. Like, you can literally wear these with anything, and that's the amazing thing about them. They're so easy to style, and they just look so sick on. Like, they look so good on. Yeah, I have no problem styling these, like, and I want to wear them with absolutely everything. Like, it's so tempting, but like, you can't rinse out the shoes, you know, you can't be wearing them all the time, but like, they're so easy to style, so easy to chuck on with absolutely anything. My favourite thing to wear them with is like tracksuit bottoms, and then just like white socks, like kind of peeking out. Like, I think that just looks cool, cash, you know. But you can definitely dress these up too. They're definitely that type of shoe. So yeah, that was my Yeezy unboxing. Very quick, very swift, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first ever pair of Yeezys, and I can't really explain how excited I am. I am incredibly excited to have these. I'm so glad I've got these now. It was very kind of my brother to get me these. I'm gonna look after them very well. Yeah, I'm just so happy with these. If you guys are thinking of getting them, I know they have like all these other colorways now. I would highly recommend them. 10 out of 10 in my opinion. I have no regrets, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little unboxing. I will try and insert clips of the shoes on because I know that will help you guys get a better idea of what they actually look like in practice. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.